Good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to be practicing our A sounds and the ways we can make that in our spelling. So we're going to follow along with the video for the book. You will need to open up your textbook, your Let's Go textbook, to page 36 and 37, and you can follow along with the video together. Then we'll come back and see what we need to do in our books. Okay?
Page 36. Let's read. A. Listen, point, and say.
A-E. A. Game. Make. A-I. A. Paint. Rain. A-Y. A. Play. Today.
Page 36. B. Listen, point, and chant. The long A phonics chant.
Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave.
Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave.
Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave. Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave.
Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave. Play today. Paint the rain. Make a cake. Paint a wave.
Page 37. C. Listen and read along. A rainy day. 1,
Oh no! Look at the rain. We can't play today.
2,
I can make a cake. I'm a cook.
3,
Let's play a game. No, let's paint.
4,
I can paint pictures. Look at my pictures.
Let's practice those sounds in our book. So, here we have the 3 ways of spelling the A sound. A, something, E, A-I, and A-Y. A-Y usually comes at the end of a word. A-I is usually in the middle of a word. And A-E, well, the A has to be at the start or in the middle of a word, with another letter here and the E at the end. Let's practice here. So, as you can see, we have to look at the word. This one is a game. Game, we spell G-A-M-E, and the A-E is how we make the A. Then we have to connect it down to the spelling of game and trace the word. Oh my goodness, trace it better than me. Okay. What about this one? What is the boy doing? Oh, he's painting. So how do we spell paint? You can have a look here. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. So let's connect that to I-A. Write the word. And connect it to the picture. There we go. Our second exercise is writing the word next to the right sound. So, game is here. What's the other AE word? Write that down here. Rain, we have the other AI word, and AY have the other AY word down here.